Timu eya Kitara Football Club okuruga mu Nyamasaza eya Hoima enyakuli omumpaka eza FUFA Big League omukibinja ekya Rwenzo etandikiro akalitango akokusoroza esente eziragikonyera omukwemigira omuzano ogurukusembayo tuzete eza playoffs kibakonyere okurabaho okuhikiriza ekigenderwa kyabo okuzana omukikopo ekya Uganda Premier League. Akalitango akokusoroza esente zino katumirwe Operation UPL kandi bakunira buli musagiki obwe timu egyo ajja okuhayo omutwaro gumo omusente za Uganda. Kusigikira hali omukuru arukukura etimu eno Joshua Atugonza akugamba nti kino nikijja okutekwa omubyafayo kandi bakwenda okuhikiriza ekigenderwa kyabo ekyokweyongera haidara lindi.
Season is hoile ekaba ya kugena direct because playoffs is anajara zara kazano. So tukaba twino kunihira nti empira yetu sigari yetano tukaba twina kusinga and the good thing ikaba kina kuba kwa tusamba team ekaba to leading. Actually the next game kwa ndugu ya kusamba the day they stopped as kugenda kwa ndugu ya kusamba team ya UPDF no haizire president ya yemereza buli kimu kiona, so we didn't trouble. So katimu I can't say it is a blessing or a curse, but our target wasn't fulfilled because target ikawa direct promotion to avoid playoffs. Chionka kandi bagambe imwe kirazi try our luck, and the best thing is our target still remains. Target number 1 academy ya direct promotion, target number 2 eri yokuraba mu playoffs.
Atugonza agumzenti etimu ya Kitara Football Club ekukora kurungi baitu emitalibaine eyibainamu nuhali okutaba nogo arukutekamu ensimbi okuhikiriza ebiroto byabo.
If you look around the background ya team when it wasn't built so much to be ascend, and in Uganda teams are supposed to running as a business, but it's different with the Kitara at this level because big league bantu bangi tibagirora. That's why you sanga teams are big leagues in our sponsors almost. So nikyo tukura pushing the team giteka event so that they attracting our sponsors. Ekyo gamba fundraising ekyo tukikora nka buli kiro because Kitara eri team y'abantu, team y'abahagizi ali tukabagambira barugayo ni bahurizo muranga gwaitu. Of course they know at least level tukayikire running a team as business busakite kamunta inekia kufunamo. It is at this level it is passion. Maybe if we get somewhere mu Premier League na handi
akaire kano abazani abe timu egyo tibakabaire okusasurwa omusara gwabo habo kwezo kwa katani baitu bali bagumu hanyuma eyo kusoroza esente zino bajja okutemaho okubasasura gumya nti abazani abari kusingo bwingi bakyainabo ombutano.
Of course tuina antaya ya mani munera obundi team depending get collections donations abantu abahagizi, but it so happened tukasanga tutaina mabanja maingi munekira, so tuchua mu kusoroza akasente nunda kasara kabana sa kuitera mu mulimo nka management tukakarizi ngaronto tukasoza yakasente. It is true haro hali ba kubanjamu, but we promise by the end of the season tutakuwa watu. Actually in our budget itukozere part of the budget is fulfilling misara unpaid salaries because we have not paid them omwezi gwa May ngunu guhoiro. We are yet to pay them, and on our budget this money is included, this misara gunu included, so we expect kakwat raising a send tujja kubantu bakiriyalinga basambya.
Sabire abantu okuranti bajumbira okubasagika nibahayo okuraba habuhereza obwa mobile money haziro musanju munana musanju nkaga na mukaga 19 orundi 0 kienda na musanju nkaga. Enamba zinu zona zihandikirwe omabara agakato timwafe entekani zendi enyakuteirweho niko okwayo obusagiki nobuteeka omubanka eya DFCU account number nkulinge M3 M nkulinge 25 nkulinge 585 account enu eri